Uh, Hello everyone. So I want to discuss on how you can train your AI Chatgpt with right prompts. Before that, can you just subscribe to my YouTube channel? Just click on that subscription button and you get a lot of videos from hosting concepts. Now, a lot of people don't know how to use AI and this is really affecting some people. Supposed to make use of AI to make your work ease. Now, first thing is just go to your browser, any browser, but I would prefer that you use Chrome or Brave. Now, go to your browser, you type chatgpt.com, and I will advise you that you should add the add-on to your browser. So I have video on how to add extension to browser as well. Let me just type something. I said, hey, how is it going? Okay, now I want to uh ask ChatGPT to give me some prompts. I mean to give me some things. Assuming I want to generate Excel sheets for student score for College of Education. Go to um call to action. Now now it will generate an Excel sheet for us. Can you just see that? Now I can download this Excel file. Let me just click on it. So let me download it. I see College of Education scores. So I open the file. Let me click the Excel sheet. Now in this aspect, you don't have to stress yourself and doing some task. So there are some things that AI has actually provided for you. So what you need is how to make use of it. Now, so you can see that you can see college education and so on. Now, depending on what you want to do, so you can ask AI to add anything, probably overall score or anything to add it for you. Let me see. So you can ask AI to add any score, depending on what you want to do. For example, now I want to ask AI to generate something from me. I will upload a project work. Let me just upload any project work. So I've now said for the uploaded document, generate the table of contents table content with page numbers and also figure uh, table of figures and list of tables. I mean, it should be list of figures in make it document document file. Now it will actually generate table of contents for this research project work, and as well it will generate list of tables and list of figures. In fact, if I need abstract for it, I can actually ask AI to give me the abstract of it. Let me just open it. TOC and then table of, so it has downloaded. So I open it. Can you see that? You can see table of contents for one table of content. Assuming if I have different stuff, so you can give me different assuming I have plenty of content there, so it will give me everything. And then also, if you're a web developer and probably you don't want to stress yourself on some things, you can actually make use of ChatGPT AI. What you just do is write a home page code for real estate website. Now, a home page for real estate website. Now, you now give it how you want it to be. Header header should contain home, about, service, blog, contacts with navi with navigation with drop down navigation. Now call it to action. Now on this aspect, it will generate the code needed for home page of real estate. Now let me just go to my Visual Studio Code. Let me open it. Let me go to my SAM, paste docs. Let me just give it another folder. Chat. Now it has given us the prompts. We're still working on it. Okay, let me open folder. So ChatGPT is still working on the code, still writing the code for us. So let us wait. So I'm still waiting for AI to be done. Let us wait. You said you can wait for it to become responsive or exit the page. Now, all right. So we are still on it. Let me load my locals. Now, so it has generated the home page needed for real estate site. Next thing I'm going to do is just to copy. You can download the code and you can copy it as well. So, but I'm going to copy it. I copy it, then I'll go to my file, paste it, then I save. Now, if I go to my localhost, when I click on it, can you just see it? Amazing. So this is uh wow, wow, great. So this is so great. So it has created a beautiful how would I call it, a beautiful real estate for us. Can you see that? Real estate website for us. Can you see that? Even including pictures and so on and so forth. Then drop down, buy one. I can now set right for about us, generate code for about as well, and link it and link it to home page, or let me see link the pages to each other, include the link include the pages to link to each other. Now it will give us the prompt needed. It will give us everything we need. So this is how we are going uh to get our code. They have set all navigation links connected to this base. Say then rather than place so down course it is streaming coming. Now assuming I don't know where to put this code, so I'll just ask him where should I put this code. The first generated code. Replace AI elements. Now say merge the code together with the first generated generated code. Now it will merge everything together. Everything, everything. You can see that body. I will now copy it, then come to my code. Okay, okay. I actually need the header. Should be inside the header. Include the original styles from here. Now, if I save it now, I go to my browser back. Can you just see that? Then let me just continue with it. Uh, Generate full about us, about. So it generates about for us as well. Then I'm going to open another uh, file about .html. So we'll be following the prompt given to us, like this about, you can see is about .html. So we are going to make use of it here, as you can see it here. Then you copy it, go to your text editor, paste it. Then I go back to my, if I click on about, it will lead him to this place. Then generate buy a home. So I will go back to my generate full code for buy me buy a home. I think that should be the okay. Yes, under services, buy a home under services. Then what else again? Now I'm going to copy this one to create another file. Then I will copy it, go to my text editor, paste it, save. Go back to my, I will refresh. If I click on services, buy a home, you can just see it. Then what else again? We have rent a house. Rent a house. We also have service, that is this one. We also have service manage. Then I'm going to copy for rent a house. Then I will paste it, save it. Then I also have sell with us as well. Sell with us. So after sell with us, we also have um, property management. Property management. So this is how we are going to be doing everything till we finished the code. Let's go to Safari. Okay. Then so this is for property management. I copy it to manage this place. Now, what else again do we have there? So we have, let me refresh it. If I go to rent a house, can you see it? If I go to sell with us, can you see it? Can you see it now? If I go to property management, can you see it? Now we have blog, market insights, for markets, uh, market insights under blog. Then buy and rental guides. Now I will go to my code back and go to my index. Then what I'll just do is that I will just come to blog, then I will create another file for blog. So I'm done with services and about us. Let me create another file for let me create another file for stories. Then we also have contacts. Then the last one is contact support. So we are still on it. Now, so this is how you can generate the full code for any website. Can generate using AI. Now, some web developer don't know how to make use of AI. So some don't know how to make use of AI. Now, AI is very it makes our works to easier very well. Even with the let me say within 20 minutes, so I'm done with this website within 20 minutes. So I'm done. So I will have to wait for it to be done. So it is converting it to responsive website so that I'm able to fill it on property management. Okay, that should be that should be marketing sites. Let me go to markets, job market. Okay. So I'm done with market insights. So remain guides and stories. Line stories. So let us wait for it. So this is our market insights. You can see it. So all these things I can choose to edit it later. So I will just have to edit it later. Now we've reached the maximum number of prompts you can give. You can see, so we've reached the maximum number of prompts you can give a day, and it is because we are making use of free plan. So if we are using the paid one, it doesn't have limits, and because we are making use of uh, the free one, that is why we are having these challenges. Like I said, we can also run the code as well because it is call to action. And click on run the code, and can you see that? So you can run the code on this same ChatGPT. So you can run the code on this. You can stop it. Now, this is how you can make use of AI ChatGPT as a web developer, as a web designer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Austin Concept. Thank you, everyone.